Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're going to be talking about the C-61 D-16 hardware, locks, and safes contractor license. So essentially, a hardware, locks, and safes contractor installs, modifies, or repairs power and or manually activated door and window locks with related hardware, built-in safes, and vaults. And that definition is from the CSLB website. The CSLB is the Contractors State License Board. So you need a D-16 license to bid on any hardware, locks, and safes related projects where the total cost exceeds $500 in labor and materials. Now, the time frame it takes to get the D-16 license typically is about 90 days. You could expect a 6 to 8 week application processing time, and then generally another 3 to 4 weeks before you go and take your test. The basic requirements for a D-16 license are that you're at least 18 years of age. You'll need a valid driver's license or USAID. You'll need a Social Security or ITIN number, and you can't currently be on probation or parole. Experience requirements are that you have at least 4 years full-time journey level experience within the last 10 years. You'll need somebody who can sign off on that experience, and you'll need to be able to submit documentation to the CSLB just in case they ask to see proof. Now, who can you use to sign off on your experience? You could use a licensed general contractor. You could use somebody that holds the C-28 license or somebody that holds the D-16 license. And if you don't know anything about the C-28 license, I suggest you check out the video that'll appear at the end of this one. You could use a foreman or supervisor. You could use a fellow journeyman or employee. And in some cases, you could even use a business associate. Now, criminal history. Everybody's got to do live scan fingerprinting when they apply for a California contractor license. Be honest on the application if you do have a criminal record. Typically, the CSLB is looking for fraud, forgery, and embezzlement. So if your charges don't fall into those categories, you should be okay, but be ready to submit court documents just in case. Now, what's on the exam that you need to pass? You'll only need to pass one test. It's going to be 115 questions covering contractor license law. You'll have 3 hours to complete each portion. It's a multiple choice exam. It's going to be done on site on a computer, and you can bring a translator the day of the test. Now, the CSLB Law and Business exam covers business organization, business finances, employment requirements, bonds, insurance, and liens, contract requirements and execution, licensing requirements, safety, and there's a portion covering public works. Now, for additional information on study guides and online practice tests, you can check out the links in the description of this video. Now, after you pass your D-16 license, you'll get your results immediately. Typically, you can do a retake within about 3 weeks, but once you pay your license activation and you provide your contractor bond number, the CSLB should send you your license in the mail in about 2 to 3 weeks. Now, the costs associated with the California contractor license are that you pay a state application fee, you'll pay a license activation fee, and then a renewal fee every 2 years. You'll cover the cost of fingerprinting, and you'll pay a contractor bond fee. Now, for the most up-to-date fees, I suggest you check out the video that appears at the end of this one. Just want to thank you for watching. For additional information about the D-16 hardware, locks, and safes contractor license, getting bonded, trade skills, and more, check out our website, like and subscribe to this channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. But again, this is digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.